Hey, what's up guys? My name's Dan Coconati, and today I got a good one for you. This song is going to be called Boulevard of Broken Dreams, and it is by Green Day. Now, fun fact on this was actually the first song I ever learned on guitar, so definitely happy to teach it to you guys. The song for your tuning is going to be standard tuning, so that means your strings are going to be E, A, D, G, B, and E. Get yourself a tune, and then we're going to get started on this lesson. Okay, so let's take a look at Boulevard of Broken Dreams. So we got a lot of power chords going on with this one, and it starts, and really actually you're going to be playing these chords throughout the whole song. But we're going to be looking here at our first chord. So we got a power chord, and that's 3rd fret, all right, of our E string, or excuse me, 3rd fret, 1st fret of our E string, and then a 3rd of the A and a 3rd of the D. And that makes up that first power chord. All right? So that shape is going to be consistent throughout pretty much all of these power chords. So again, 1st fret power chord. Now take that and you're going to slide it up to a 4th fret power chord. So now you got 4, 6, 6. All right? So we got this. All right? Then 6th fret now of our A string. So that shape is staying the same. So this shape again is just going to stay the same. So all you're doing is just kind of moving the root note around on your guitar. So that next chord though, 6, 8, 8, and it's on the A string. 6th fret power chord of your A. And then you finish it right there, 6th fret power chord of your E. That's 6, 8, 8 again, but on the E. So, all together, first 4 chords, and really these chords are consistent throughout the song, but it's going to sound like this. Okay, so we're going to take a look real quick at that little riff we got going before we kind of transition into the actual chorus of this song. So what do we got? Very simple. We have an 8 to 9 of our B string. So, and then that slides up 13 to 11, and then you finish 8, 9. So it's all on this B string. So 8, 9. 13, 11, 8, 9. And then I think it changes ever so slightly down the line, but you do get in the, and all that is a 10th fret then of the G. So I think that comes in later on the song, but the main premise of that, little fill is 8, 9, 13, 11, 8, 9. And then I think that it does get added in. And that's just going down to that 10th fret then of the G. But again, the main thing is for the little fill riff. Okay, so let's take a look at our chorus section here. So we got a build in of, so all you're doing with the power chord shape is just going from 1st fret power chord of the A string to the 3rd fret power chord, same string, and then right on that 4th fret power chord is our first technical chord of this chorus. So, all right, and that 4th fret power chord is on the A string. All right, so that is your first like official chord, and then we jump down now to the 4th fret power chord of our E string. Now up 2 more frets, 6th fret power chord of our A, and then 6th fret power chord, and then all the way down to that 1st fret power chord of our E string. So. All right, so hopefully that's all kind of making sense. So we got 4th fret of the A to a 4th fret of the E power chord, and then 6th fret of the A, and then 1st fret of the E. And these are all power chords. So all together, this is the chorus. And all you're doing is finishing right there on a 3rd fret power chord of our A string. And then we transition right back. All right, so our outro of this song is the only other part that we really have to do because again, those chords just are kind of, used throughout this song. We got our verse chords and our chorus chords with our riff. And that's really the entirety of the song. So we got the outro now. So what do we got going for this? Really easy. So it starts here, and this is a single note actually. So 1st fret to our 4th. Excuse me, that's 1st fret of your E. 4th fret of the A. And then 6th fret of the A. And then, now you can play this all just single notes. It sounds a little bit more robust if you add in the power chord on that little chord. And that's 5th fret of our A. And then we go 4th fret. Again, if you want to do the power chord and make it a little sound more gritty. 4th fret then of your E, and then just an open or an E minor. Again, you can add in the power chord and make it sound a little bit more heavy. You could honestly even do the whole thing in power chords. Or, just play the single note. Okay, and that's really the entirety of the ending. And then how does it end, if you may ask? Well, we got that's literally how it ends. It's just the 4th fret power chord of our E string to an open, and then a 2 or an E minor chord to finish it off. So that's open, 2. Thank you guys so much for checking out this guitar tutorial on Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. If this helped you out and you're able to learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos. Thanks.